it's Mr. Scott, and on today's Fun with Origami, we're gonna learn to make the world's greatest paper airplane. You know, for kids. I know what you're thinking, it's just a circle, but I'm gonna show you how this circle will become the world's greatest paper airplane. Let's begin. So we're gonna need two things. We're gonna need a piece of 8.5 by 11 copy paper, and we're gonna need some tape. That's it. So let's begin. So take this paper right here, and you're just gonna fold it about 2/3 of the way down, like right about there, about so. And you're gonna make that line nice and neat. Remember how we like those lines. Okay, then we're gonna fold it up this way. So here it looks like this. Then we're just gonna fold this on top of itself, right there to that very bottom part of the fold. All right, then we're gonna fold it one more time on top of itself, just like that. Wait, look for that line. Okay, there we go, look at that. Real easy. So now it looks like that, simple, right? So now we're gonna take this, and with this part is gonna go on the inside. So we're gonna fold it to make it look like a circle, like this, okay? And make sure you keep going around to make sure it looks as close to a circle as possible. Now you're gonna take these two ends right here, you see that? You're just gonna slide one into the other, like that, just a little bit, like so. And when it can't go anymore, that's your cue to get some tape right here. And you're gonna rip off a little piece of tape, and you're just gonna tape this part right here. You might need a second tape just to get it all the way down the seam. Again, we wanna make this the world's greatest airplane. So here we go, another piece of tape right there. All right, so that should work. So now we have our world's greatest airplane. Now you don't believe me, right? You're looking at this thing going, no, there's no way this thing can fly. But I guarantee you, we're gonna take it outside now. We're gonna show you how this is the world's greatest airplane. One tip, you wanna throw it from the heavy end, the part with all the folded paper on here. You wanna grip it from this end right here, and we're gonna throw it. I'm gonna show you the demonstration right now. Let's go outside. Hey everybody, we're outside testing the world's greatest airplane, making sure that's as circular as possible. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Well, there it is. You didn't believe me. That's the world's greatest airplane, everybody. That's right. You didn't believe me. The world's greatest airplane is just a circle. That's right. You saw it here first. All right, everybody. Thank you very much for joining us on Fun with Origami with Mr. Scott. And I will see you next time. Take care.